So here's an analysis of this LPR software that basically requires some type of computer to run as an agent to do all the processing, and then it creates a license plate database which is then accessible on the cloud. So this is basically a web browser, and every time it sees a plate, it updates that number here. You can have multiple sites, multiple cameras per site. You can export all this information into a database, and most interestingly, I would say, is when you hold your mouse over the vehicle, it gives you the color, the make, and in some cases, the style of the car. This one is most likely an SUV, not a sedan. I think it's the Honda Pilot. And when a license plate is detected, it does all the digital zoom in to capture the best plate, or to capture, the best view of the plate to determine this plate number, and it lists a confidence level of 92%. These are all percentages here, and it also lists the direction of travel, which is very helpful when you are viewing a list of vehicles, or a list of events rather, instead of looking at a lot of images of vehicles. So it has classified as black sedan. It's a Mercedes sedan. I don't know why the Mercedes is not shown here, but here it is shown. So it's not perfect, but it's actually still very helpful. And let's go down the list here. White Lincoln, that's on the dot. This one looks like it might be a Jeep, and it's just listed as white SUV. I don't really know what this is. This one's definitely a Jeep, so that's correct. That's correct. Black SUV Mercedes is correct. White. This might be a Lexus, and I don't know why the Lexus is not listed here, but I haven't seen any Lexus vehicles anywhere on this demo. That silver gray Ford. This camera is actually in black and white, so it's not really the best to determine colors, but if you had a color camera, or if you had the camera running in color mode, then you'd be able to get a better reading on the color.